Are you trying to add a family member in Find My Friends or trying to track the location of a friend but showing that his or her iPhone location is not available? In this video, we will tell you why this happens and how to fix it. Below are some possible reasons that will cause the iPhone location not available issue. Reason number 1, the device isn't signed into Find My Friends. Reason number 2, the device has been switched off. Reason number 3, the device is not connected to cellular or Wi-Fi. Reason number 4, the device's date and time are not correct. Reason number 5, your friends did not turn on location services. Reason number 6, your friends turned on Hide My Location in Find My Friends. Reason number 7, your friends is in a country or region where this feature is not available. Reason number 8, there are some software glitches on the device. Before trying any fixes, you may just call the person you want to track to see if he or is shut down or not connected to the internet. If you are sure that your friend has been signed in to Find My Friends and connected to the internet but it says location not available, use following methods to fix iPhone location not available issue. Tip number 1. Force close Find My Friends app. On the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle of the screen. Swipe up on Find My Friends preview to close it. Tip number 2. Hard reset iPhone. If you want to hard reset iPhone, you need to quick press the volume up button and quick press the volume down button, then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Tip number 3. Correct the date and time. Go to Settings. Press General. And then press Date and Time. Turn on Set Automatically. Tip number 4. Turn on Location Services. Go to Settings. Find Privacy, and press it. Press Location Services and toggle the bar to turn the feature. If it's already enabled, you can turn it off and turn it on again after a few seconds. Tip number 5. Turn on Share My Location. Go to Settings, press iCloud Account, press Find My, and then turn on Share My Location. Tip number 6. Turn off Hide My Location. Go to Find My Friends app to turn on Share My Location option. Bonus tip. Use Joyoshare UltFix iOS System Recovery Tool. Joyoshare UltFix is a professional iOS system repair tool. It can fix more than 150 iOS issues which include iPhone making calls on its own issue, iPhone stuck on white screen, iOS update failure issue or more. Moreover, it can help you fix these issues without any data loss. Let's free download it on the official website.